This photoelectric effect calculator solves a fundamental problem in quantum electronics and photonics engineering, determining the energy relationships between incident photons and ejected electrons from material surfaces. Whether you're designing photomultiplier tubes, solar cells, or photodetectors, you need to calculate these quantum mechanical interactions accurately. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate kinetic energy of ejected electrons. Calculate threshold frequency from work function. Calculate work function from threshold. Calculate stopping potential. Calculate photon energy from wavelength. And calculate wavelength from photon energy. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate kinetic energy of ejected electrons. The input fields include incident frequency in hertz, work function in electron volts, wavelength in nanometers, photon energy in electron volts, threshold frequency in hertz, and max kinetic energy in electron volts. Not all fields are needed for every calculation. The calculator activates only the relevant inputs based on your selected mode. Here's a practical example. For a cesium photocathode exposed to ultraviolet light, enter an incident frequency of 1.2 E15 Hz and a work function of 2.14 electron volts for cesium. Click Calculate. The results show a photon energy of 4.97 electron volts and a maximum kinetic energy of 2.83 electron volts. The calculator also provides the threshold frequency of 5.17 E14 Hz and corresponding threshold wavelength of 580 nanometers. These outputs tell you the maximum energy of ejected photoelectrons, the minimum frequency needed for photoemission, and the stopping voltage required to halt electron flow, critical parameters for device design. Remember, photon energy must exceed the work function or no electrons are emitted. That's Einstein's photoelectric equation in action. Find the link in the description below.